Hi, I'm Anna Sargent. I'm Director of Asset Investment here at Tower Hamlets Community Housing. We are a small community-based housing provider in the borough of Tower Hamlets. We have many of London's high-rise in our borough, and therefore we are preparing building safety cases for the HSE. We have 3,000 units across Tower Hamlets. 1,000 of those are leaseholders, which brings its specific challenges. Quickly became evident that our data management and our processes, particularly around compliance and asset management, had not been as good as they could be. And so when I was asking for simple information, the answers weren't forthcoming and they were spread across a number of places. This came about a time when the regulator was involved with us. They took the decision to provide a grading of G3, V3. So it was in light of our regulatory downgrade that I chose to work with Altair and Cadline. I knew that we needed someone that could handhold us. Also, we're offering fairly simple processes and easy to navigate system that could bring our staff along to the place that they needed to be. So before DynamicAIM, we had multiple sources of data and we couldn't really trust what we were reading. We had paper copies in files, paper copies in boxes, multiple Excel spreadsheets, and we needed to get to a place where we just had confidence in the data. So what's great and fundamental for me about the Cadline system is how easy it is to navigate. It's flexible in terms of data collection and reporting. But for me as a director, it gives me that high-level dashboard view so that I can home in easily on the information that I need to know.
I think one of the good things about having this system is that everything is in one place. Because we've had the Fire Safety Act and the Building Safety Act come into force, it's even more important that we have all our information and it's easily accessible.
The partnership between Altair and Cadline means we get the best of both worlds. So we get this great IT system, but we also get leading housing experts. It's been fantastic to work with Altair and Cadline because we are now seeing the savings that we hadn't expected to see, and we are able to access flexible reporting and dashboards across our stock. We can now confidently control our data going forwards to meet demands of governance management, and the golden thread. We're not replacing existing systems, we're now streamlining operational efficiency. We're in a much better place with regards to monitoring and reporting risk, managing our assets, and being able to communicate with both regulators and, most importantly, our residents. A core strategic aim for us, Tower Hamlets Community Housing, has been to build a culture of safety from officer up to the Chief Executive's office. And the partnership between Altair and Cadline and us has really helped us drive that. So now we can confidently say in our business that building safety is everybody's priority.